Alright, so I was trying to finish my shirt of the day, but I didn't get it done because I got to head over to Jada school and get to dance class where I will be doing Dance with Dad. I'm a little bit out of shape and I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see when we get there.
Today we're doing Dance with Daughter. On the floor. This is Dad Dance class. This is Dance with Daddy class. Oh! I'm going crazy.
I do it better than you. I do it better than you.
Dance Works.
Do it better than you.
Oh.
He definitely does do it better than you. Enough to get your body over, it's just gonna go over.
Ah, you failed.
You just gotta push.
Get your butt off of me.
Let's go.
Epic fail. I think I'm gonna try it again. I have enough math to do whatever I want. I did it, guys. I did it.
You're supposed to land on your feet.
No, you're not, because she was having us do it onto our knees.
Okay, let me see you do it to your feet.
Okay. It's not broken. I just cracked my arm.
Good job.
It's not an epic fail this time.
Yeah,
I'll show you some epic fails.
You had an epic fail.
1, 2, 3.
Watch out when you hit somebody.
Epic fail.
If I'm in the mood, I get as ratchet as I wanna. Turn around and show you I can bless you with some gold. Working ain't no 9 to 5. California, that's a vibe. Princess always out to ride. You know that's all we are. Can't hide. Always can't hide.
That's video. I just did what Kendo was gonna do. Miss Summer. Hold it. Miss Summer.
I'm a good co-star, y'all see that? So we just left dance.
Hey, we're going to Dollar Tree.
We're going to get a treat from Dollar Tree, but how do you think your dad did today?
Good.
What would you get? What would my grade be?
A+.
The A+?
Yup.
Y'all see that? And I backflip way better than she did.
Oh, that's a lie.
No, it's not.
You can't do a handstand.
I got footage
Yeah, you got footage.
of me beating you in dance.
On one thing. I'm better than you at everything else.
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about. All I remember is I got footage of me doing a back tumble and you doing a back tumble, and I did better. What you think?
Hey, guess what you did? Guess what I did? I deleted it.
What?
Ooh, look at all that stuff.
Oh, you can go here and buy me some clothes. You got me?
Maybe.
Huh?
I'll see what pops up for Father's Day.
What pop-ups for Father's Day? Hook me up.
Maybe. I'll go to the drinks.
I'll get me I really want a Gatorade, but I'll take a raspberry lemonade, strawberry lemonade, strawberry kiwi. Why you get that?
I got this with Pop-Up.
Oh, that's nasty con. I don't know what you think.
Maybe we can do the sour challenge. We buy some stuff that's sour.
I ain't doing no challenges.
I like that challenge.
Sour challenges.
A sour challenge.
And we buy everything sour.
Everything sour, huh?
And we also have
You won't be able to
lemons.
talk then.
Nope.
I will.
You're gonna have a sour face.
I want. What the heck is this?
Tripod broke, so I had to come and get a little piece, but I gotta grab the whole piece. But the good thing is they're only $5, so I get to add like another little tripod to the collection. But I really just need the top piece, so I'm gonna buy 2 of these because they're only $5. So Gonna get this, and now I need to go find some markers to sign these books and get them in the mail. All right, I'm looking for metallic Sharpies. Here's the silver. This is what I used to sign my pen with in class. Oh, here you go. Look, metallics. Metallic green, blue, and I guess that's red. Different faces. I guess this is red. The colors look a little bit off, but based off what it's showing, it should be red and blue and green. Not so much of these dull colors that the caps have. So gonna get these, and maybe I'll just grab these as well. Pair these with my tripod, and we're good to go for our Staples run. Let's go sign these books and get them in the mail. And now I can record me doing that because I can hold my phone on a tripod and selfie stick that I got. This is the first time I've been to a dollar store with no Gatorades.
We got our stuff. We're coming back here for another drink.
Excuse me.
Coming back here for another drink.
Another drink,
Yes.
huh? Something sour? A sour drink?
No.
Was Dance with Dad successful?
Was it?
Yes.
Yes, it was. I'm sore now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm hurting.
And that was successful. We love breast mints. We're leaving with this heavy bag. It's a very heavy bag. I wonder where my mom is.
All right. So this has been Stan Banks and
Jada Banks.
peace.
Peace.
So I'm about to sign books and get them in the mail. Everything's been going like tragically wrong with this book, man. I had to go to the shop. Oh snap! I just got the first vlog is in from the editor, which is dope. But from getting it laid out from the very beginning to right now, to trying to go to the shop yesterday and get the mailing labels shipped. So I had to come home, I had to set up the printer downstairs and had to print them on full sheets instead of the ones I can just slap on. But nonetheless, we're gonna get them out and get them in the mail to you guys. All right, so I'm gonna sign this book for my boy Javier, and I'm gonna give him a special message. He played college football with me. So I'm gonna say, from the field to the hustles, brothers for life. Pretty dope, right? It was a good investment to sign this pen because it matches so well with the cover, and it's like a little metallic. My handwriting is horrible, but you know, handwriting and writing is horrible. But first book is going to my guy Javier, old teammate, and t-shirt side hustle supporter, t-shirt business owner. Pretty dope, man, when you can build these connections, and I really impose my hustle on and share it with people closest to me. Some stickers to go with it. Niches bring riches sticker. I don't have many, but in the t-shirt side hustle Stan Banks sticker, dropped them in there. And I just realized that I brought everything home from the shop except for a pack of mailers to actually mail it. Now, I was gonna just slide it in here like this, but I realized that it'll fit on the back side. I just want to, just to be safe, tape this in here so it doesn't move, you know. Maybe I should, yeah, that looks good. Should work out all good right here. Boom, fold it over. Oh, I hate when I do this. Fold it over. Make sure it's nice and snug. First book is going out. Now I've got to go back and run and grab some more mailers because I didn't bring those, and get these other books out. I'm going to cut everything, get it ready so I can just put them in the packages and get them in the mail. Oh, man. And then I gotta go get the vinyl pricing guide finished. Now that I got these and feel comfortable with the process of it all, get the vinyl pricing guide up and get those out to the people who ordered them. So want to pick up your copy, go ahead and head over to tshirtsidehustle website and tell them I sent you. Alright, so now I just got to get the mailers and get these things all done and ready. This one goes on here. Try to just get everybody the book. Boom. Throw a sticker in there. Got some more stickers. I don't got many stickers, but I got some more stickers. So this one goes here. That. This one is for Tracy Henderson. Some people invest in themselves. Boy out here really signing books. This is for Tracy in Indianapolis, Illinois. Spray Richard sticker. Bow. This is the one that I really wanted to get a nice message for. Bow. Okay, so. The internet is a strange place. My handwriting sucks. Hope she enjoys this message. That green really pops. She gets a sticker there. I don't even know if people want a sticker with my face on it, but nonetheless, I'm giving them out. Who I got next? Let's go with my homegirl. She's been A1 since day one. Lord, I just wrote a book inside of a book. I don't know, some of these might have spelling errors, but I'm writing it from the heart, so I hope they understand. Sticker, 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 sticker. Bow. It's a special. This is a special book right here. Special one. All right, I'm off to the last one. I didn't record all of them. Then I said, oh, let me cut it back on. All right, and my buddy right here is gonna get my favorite quote, hands down, top 5 quote, dead or alive. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Then next. Woo! Alright, I signed about 10 books. You guys just got to check out a few. And we're gonna get these things in the mail, man. Open these books brings people a lot of value. Put my long, hard work, and you know, I'm sure that they'll read the books and get back to the page and leave their thoughts and comments on the book so that you guys can check their thoughts on the book out, and you know, maybe you'll pick up a copy.
Oh, you haven't seen her yet? Okay, I guess I haven't seen her yet.
Grab these books. Drop. This one. So I finally got the books off into the mail. through all the trials and tribulations to get the thing done. They're in the mail, and I'm feeling excited about that. Hope you guys are enjoying this hustle, grind, growth. If you watched the video this far, you might as well go hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll be dropping a video like this every single week. Let me know in the comments below how you think I did in Dance with Dads. And above all, keep hustling, keep grinding, keep growing. It's been Stan Banks. Peace.